Let's go to some stock picks. Jared, you're going with Investec.
Sure. Investec's my pick. I think if you just track Investec versus the other SA banks post the GNU rally, it has lagged quite significantly. Now still half the business is in South Africa, with the other half in the UK. So I certainly think positive tailwinds for the SA part of the business, being the wealth management and the bank, in terms of better credit loss environment as well as advances. But I think the UK business has also started to turn the corner after a number of years. You've seen improving performance. Again, costs have been taken out of the business, a more focused strategy, and it's driven better returns. It still has a stake in 91. It owns 10% of that business. And it also owns 41% of the Rathbones UK business, which has flipped its UK wealth business into. So both those businesses, I think, are very well placed, as well as the core business. And you're still paying around 1 times book for it with improving returns. So price risk reward looks very good on Investec right now.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And the banks will look good, but I take your point. It has lagged to a degree. Wayne McCurrie, you're going with Intel, which has had a really tough time of it.
Yeah, no, but obviously now this is maybe not for widows and orphans. I think the market's being too harsh. They have punished this share. And it's it has gone up a little bit in the last while, but it's still way off its highs. And, the use of chips, it's only going to get more and more. It's going to be an enormous demand for them as everything becomes more sophisticated and can do better things. So, yeah, I think the market's been too harsh because of essentially one update. And maybe there is a glut. It's so strange. A couple of years ago, there were no chips.
Yeah.
But the market very quick to react. So maybe there's an oversupply. And if there's an oversupply now, in 2 or 3 years' time, there'll be an undersupply because no one's going to invest into an oversupplied market. So I think it shows reasonable value at this level.
Yeah, and they've got the Biden chips act is helping them, and also they're talking to Pentagon because Pentagon wants to buy American chips, and there's only one American chip maker at this point, and it is Intel. That's it for Stockwatch tonight. Thanks to our guests, Wayne McCurrie, FNB Wealth Investments, going with Intel, Jared Houston from All Weather Capital, going with Investec. Up next, The Close. Stay tuned.